Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your SSN data with LexisNexis Risk View. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your SSN data with LexisNexis Risk View, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for the LexisNexis Risk View login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. Click the login button to access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the SSN verification option in the menu. Click on that SSN verification link to proceed. You will be prompted to enter the social security number you wish to verify. Type the SSN carefully into the provided field. Double-check the number for any errors before proceeding. Next, fill in additional required fields, such as the name and date of birth associated with the SSN. After entering all necessary information, review the data for accuracy. Click the Submit button to process your request. Wait for the system to retrieve the verification results. Once the results are displayed, review them carefully. Check for any discrepancies or alerts that may appear in the report. If everything looks correct, you can save or print the verification results for your records. If you have any issues or need help, contact customer support for assistance. Now you have successfully verified your SSN data with LexisNexis Risk View. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.